You're watching a live trade of us trading Tesla. Now Tesla has been going up, up, up. That stock price has been going through the roof. But just like anything, what goes up must come down. So as technical traders, we see an opportunity to take Tesla short. That means we want the stock price to go lower. But we traded the options. We traded the put options. So the put options price go up as the stock price goes down. So if you look at our other YouTube videos, you'll notice that we explain that. This is a great trade setup. As you see, we trade based off of technical analysis. That means that we use stock charts like you see here and read the candles and anticipate the movement. As you see, the candles are going to start to turn red. So we anticipate a nice drop. So any trade that you get in, you have to have your risk management and you also have to have your target. But even more so, you need to have a solid entry. Especially trading a higher price stock like Tesla, you can expect it to go against you maybe a couple dollars before the move goes in your favor. This is an amazing trade. As you see, the bar starts to turn red. That's a lot of fear in the market, and this is what we anticipated, a nice drop. As you see, we're up almost $1,200 very fast. We start selling our contracts. Like we mentioned before in our previous videos, we want to make sure that we're comfortable. We are day trading options, so we're not falling in love with this stock, this company at all. We're using it to make money. So it's not saying that Tesla is not a great, amazing company. No, but we're using the short-term move to put money in our pocket. We stay in this trade and we have one contract left. As you see, we're up about maybe $1,400. So we leave this one contract, which we call as a runner, to expect it to go even lower. It's like the dessert after dinner, right? So eventually we decide to get rid of this one contract, right? Because we're satisfied. We're extremely satisfied. Who on average makes about $1,200 in 4 minutes, right? By sitting in the comfort of your home. And we only exposed about $6,500 worth of capital. So we get out of this trade and we make about $1,300. Amazing trade. And you see the candle starts to turn white. This trade, we're extremely satisfied. So as we're sitting back and we're continuing looking at the market, many other opportunities come up. And since we make great money, we're always scanning. There's things like Roku that's moving and also Beyond Meat. Here we go again. Beyond Meat has been in the news. What goes up must come down. We saw a great technical trade setup. So if you look at the chart up there and you look back at the previous chart of Tesla, it almost looks similar. So this is a clean trade setup with a high probability trade. So we get in this trade with put options. We expose about the same amount of capital, $6,500. So that's the same thing we mentioned before. You need to know how much you're exposing, what you're willing to risk per trade, and also your target. So we're not risking $6,500, we're exposing. And as you notice, as this trade plays out, we have gone in a negative about 200, 250. This is an expensive stock, ladies and gentlemen, expensive stock. So becoming a disciplined trader, having that education, what we teach at the Profit Room, allows you to stay in the trade and trust the movement. So far we're up like $360, which is great money, which is amazing money. But since it's a big stock, we're waiting for that nice flush, that nice movement. And this is where the patience come in. See, you go a little sideways movements, a little bit sideways movements. And just to let you know, as a newbie trader or even an intermediate trader, making $1,300 is amazing. It's an amazing payday. There's no reason to take another trade. And that's what we teach our students. You're making $200-300 a day in a few minutes. Log off the computer. Go about your life. That's the whole purpose of trading. But as you advance as a trader, you see opportunities in the market that you can benefit from. And that's what we do. We see opportunities. I've been in the market much longer than many, and I'm able to sit and watch these moves play out because I've been trained in order to do that. So as you see, this move starts to happen. Same red bar starts to drop. This is what we're looking for, happening very, very fast. We got in this trade before the move happened. We even discussed this trade in our live trading room here at theprofitroom.com. It starts to flush. We're up like $600, $900, and like I mentioned before, we have a target. We have a target. You can't get in the vehicle if you don't know where you're going. That's the same thing with trading. So as we allow this to play out, we have 10 contracts. We start to let out the position. Remember, rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. So we let out the position in order to feel comfortable. We already made $1,300 so far today. So we sell half of these contracts and we're great. We're great. But now sellers are starting to get in. The trade is starting to hit the wire, all the Twitter feeds and the chat rooms and things like that. So that brings in even more selling pressure. More people are getting scared. More people are starting to exit the position. We're able to stay in this position and start scaling out. Amazing, amazing trade. And that's the whole reason why we teach our students how to get in these specific entries. You want to be in the trade before the big move happens, because you can catch a bigger move, and also you don't have to stay in the trade that long. So as you see, it starts to drop as we anticipate. We only have one contract left, and like we mentioned before, rinse and repeat. This is just the dessert. All this is just the dessert. So we're sitting in this trade right here with one contract, relaxing, having an amazing time. Listen, this trade right here, this is our second trade. This trade was only 6 minutes and we made about $1,300. So far today, we're up $2,500 on 2 trades in under 15 minutes of trading. Amazing. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com, where we focus on education, application, and success. If you like these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, get educated and trade safe, and I'll see you in the Profit Room.